Hey guys, real quick episode here. This is regarding my Toyota Yaris, 2007 to be exact. Today, we're going to replace one of the bulbs in the dash. More specifically, the climate control. This one here is burned out on me. So, barring that I bought the right bulbs, we're going to fix this real quick. So first off, we got to get a good grip on this. Just pull, and we'll just set that off the side. There's just some little tabs that hold these in. And then this here will pop straight out too. If I can get a decent grip. Just pop that up a little bit, and then this will come out. Okay. Now that we are in here, you just need a flat head for this whole job. Two things at once. Our light is right here. And all we do is twist with the screwdriver. This is what we got now. This bulb has a green cover on it. So, that came off somewhat easy. Well, let's just hope that I bought the right ones. They look slightly different. Great. Great. They're smaller.
You big dummy, see what you did?
I guess this episode will return at another date. I actually just makeshifted this thing. I'm going to show you can do this if you're in a pinch and you really need to get this somewhat operational. This bulb will actually come out of the base. This is the smaller base. But I took the bulb that came with these just straight out of this and got it mounted into here. However, the green thing is too big to fit over these littler bulbs. For the time being, I'm just going to live with this and order the correct one now. This video, I will not finish it until I have the correct bulb, but I just wanted to show you that this is also possible in a pinch.
1 week later.
It is a week later, and finally got what I believe will be the correct bulbs. These are actually for a GM, apparently. Instrument cluster bulbs for a GM. I'm going to have to make these work. And so what I did was I measured these here, and I will put a link to these in the description. But I measured the bulb itself between the two. This is like 2 millimeters longer than the original bulb, so it's going to work out pretty well. So again, I'm going to just pull straight out on all this stuff, and it will become dislodged. You just kind of barely have to pull on these two corners here. Just let that sit there, and then we'll pull this out. We'll park it right there. Just get our screwdriver in here now. Pop that. This comes straight up. Then we will pop this out. And that's what I came up with last go around. It looks kind of goofy with kind of off-white color. Anyway, I'm going to pull this bulb out real quick and then bring you guys back in. All right, so I pulled the bulb out of there. You can see there's 2 holes down in there. We got to bring the legs off of one of these bulbs and then wrap it around. If you look right here, those grooves, that is where it makes contact with this board right there. 2 copper contacts right there. So now I'm going to pull one of those bulbs out of the bag and kind of fish it around here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So just for reference, the one on the right is the original bulb. So as you can tell, the one on the left is just a smidge longer. All right, this is what we come up with. It is a smidge longer, but it's going to work out just fine. And just like that, it's back in. Now when you go to put this back in right here, just make sure that you've got that hole lined up with that, because then your mixer won't work. Where you the mixer for that junk, you know, that won't work right. Okay, just like so. Back in. Now with this here, goes together just like you took it apart. Just straight in. Okay, guess we can give her a test and see if we can see it. Okay guys, that's going to be it on this one. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe. I try to do everything I can for the Yaris and the Escape videos, because there aren't any videos for these things anywhere on YouTube that I've been able to find anyway. So subscribe and I'll do as much as I can for the Yaris. It doesn't break down that often, neither do my Escapes. So they don't break down that often, but I make a video every time something does happen with them. Anyway, enjoy yourselves. Have a great week. 'Tis the next morning, and I just thought I'd show you that it is working. It's maybe slightly brighter than the other 2, but we're back to normal, the right color and everything else like that, so I'm pretty happy.